Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or take advantage of Crypto.com's rewards and features, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a Crypto.com account set up. You'll need some XRP in your Coinbase wallet, and your Crypto.com account should be verified to avoid any hiccups. In 2025, crypto regulations might be tighter, so double-check that your accounts are in good standing. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to your wallet section. Find your XRP balance and select the Send or Withdraw option. This is where you'll enter the destination details. Step 2. Open your Crypto.com app or website and go to your wallet. Locate your XRP wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Copy this address carefully, as any mistake could send your XRP to the wrong place. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to prevent losses. Step 3. Back on Coinbase, paste the Crypto.com wallet address into the Recipient Address field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave some for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review the transaction details, then hit Confirm to send it off. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on the network. Head back to Crypto.com and check your wallet to confirm the XRP has arrived. A quick word of caution: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. Transferring XRP from Coinbase to Crypto.com is that simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.